Hello, my friends. Today in math, bro, this is like you have two math lessons today. But for this math, we're just going to concentrate on how to write our numbers. And we're going to write numbers 1 through 5 today. That's what we're going to focus on. So behind me, you see I have some counters. If you have counters at home, take them out. The more counters, the merrier. If you have your supply list, you have these little counters, but they're red. They're not blue, but they're nice little circles. Take them on out and you can count with us. If you don't have those counters, you can use Cheerios. Those work. I know Michael has those little bears. You can use those little bears. But you want something nice and small so that you can play around with your fingers. Nothing really too big. Keep it nice and small. So are you ready to go? We're going to count and then we're going to write. Okay? So you should have a piece of paper ready to go with a pencil or a marker because you're going to take a picture of your numbers and put them on Seesaw for me. Okay, my friends? Are you ready for the first one? So, first one. Let's see. Because you can move them. Okay, let's count those counters. Ready? 1, 2. How many are there? There's 2. Now this is the way we make our 2. So on your piece of paper, so this is like your piece of paper, right up here in the corner, let's write the number 2. And this is the number 2. Don't erase it, keep it there. Don't erase it, keep it there. So your board, if you have a piece of paper, it should look like this. Your whiteboard should look just like this. So my friends, this right here, 1, 2, is the number 2. Don't erase it, okay? Don't erase it. Are you ready for the next one? So let's add, to our 2, we're going to add 2 more. We're going to try to add 2 more. So let's see how many is that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, right next to our 2, we're going to write the number 4. And 4 is one line over and one more. That's the way we make a 4. Woohoo! So we wrote a 2 and we wrote a 4. Don't erase it. Keep it just like this. Don't erase it. Okay, ready? All right. I'm going to add one more. One more dot. Now how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to write the number 5 right under the 2. We're going to write the number 5 right under the 2. So let's write the number 5. I like put a neck and a belly. There's your 5. A neck and a belly. He's alive, number 5. He's alive. That's our number 5. So right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here's our number 5. Good job. Okay, don't erase them. Keep them all on your piece of paper or your whiteboard, just like Mrs. Stikowski's. Okay, now we're going to take all these away. See ya, see ya, see ya. How many's left? Count them. 1. So right next to our 5, let's write our number 1. And 1 is a line straight down is the number 1. Meow. Line straight down, number 1. Okay, we have one more to do. Are you ready for this? Let's add 2 to this. Woo! 1 and 2. Are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3. This is my favorite. So right next to the 1, we're going to go around the tree, around the tree. That's the way we make our 3. Mrs. Stikowski's marker speeding. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way we make a 3. Okay, so your piece of paper, your whiteboard should look just like mine. I'll keep it here. If you have to, pause me and write your numbers. Okay, we're going to do one more thing. Use a different color. Grab a different color. I'm going to get purple. Are you ready? This is a little fun thing. I think it is. Okay, so 2, we know 2 is 2, right? So let's put a dot right up here. There's a dot there, and let's put a dot right there. So how many dots are on the number 2? There's 2 dots on the number 2, right? So that's 1, 2, 2. Ready to try with the 4? Okay, so we need 4 circles. So let's put one up here, one up here, one right there, and one down there. So how many dots are on the number 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. Cool beans, huh? Now let's do the number 5. 5, we're going to do 5 dots, okay? So let's do one here. 1, 2, 3. We're going to put one right in the middle. 4, and then right at the end. 5. There's our 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this one's easy. There's just one dot, right? So we're just going to put that one dot right up on the top. There's our one dot. Now the 3 is really fun. I think it's really easy. So whenever you see the 3 and you need to count 3, you go 1, the dot, 2, and 3. There's our 3 dots. Pretty cool trick, huh? Pretty neato Frito. So the 2 has 2 dots. 1, 2. The 4 has 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 has 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 1 has 1 dot. 1. And the 3 has 1, 2, 3 dots. Pretty cool? I'll keep it right here so yours can look like mine. You can pause me if you want. Pretty funny. Okay, now my friends, thank you for writing some numbers and counting with me today. I want to see how awesome you did. So I want you to take a picture of your whiteboard or your piece of paper, and you're going to put that on Seesaw for me, okay? So I have the activity up there, and I want you to take a picture of what you just did and put it in Seesaw so Mrs. Stikowski can see how awesome you all wrote your numbers. Good job, my friends. Way to go. Kiss your brains. You are geniuses. Keep practicing being awesome.